This video is going to show you how to make the circles for the Inside Earth layers little project you're going to do on Google Slides. So you open up your slide, then you go to Insert, Shape, Shapes, all the way down over here to Oval, and I click on Oval, and I make an oval. Doesn't matter what size I make the oval, whatever I want to do. And I make sure that I'm clicked on this, and the first thing I'm going to do is color it. This is going to represent the Earth's crust. So I'm going to make it blue because we think of the Earth as being blue. And I need to resize this. What you need to do is make sure it's clicked on. And then on the top right of your screen, you may have to click these three dots. You may not, but you're going to select Format Options. This may already be there for you. You may have to click the three dots, but I'm going to select Format Options. And that brings me up a variety of things. The number one thing I want to look at is right here, where it says Size. And this tells me the size of the box that this circle is in. So I need to change this size. The width I need to change to 4 and the height to 4. And then I'll move it up so that it looks better in my slide. And then I'm going to add what's called a drop shadow effect. So on the Format Options little bar at the side, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click the box here where it says drop shadow. And then I'm going to open this box up and I'll pull down a little bit. And I just need to move a few of these little bars. I want to move the distance to about 60, just a little bit less than 60. Kind of like that. And I want to move the blur radius to around 40-ish, like that. So it looks kind of just like that. Then I'm going to take my little box here, or my circle rather, and move it just to the center. And I can tell that it's in the center when I end up with this little hash marks that match. And I'm going to let that go. So now I have the crust layer perfectly centered exactly where I want it. Here's how you make the other layers. All you have to do is make sure that you select this crust layer and go Control C and Control V, and that makes another layer. However, I'm going to make this one a different size because this is going to fit inside the crust layer. So I'm going to change the width to 3.9 and the height to 3.9. So it's a tiny bit smaller. And then I'm going to change the color. I'm going to go over to where it says gradient, and I'm going to change it to this color. Then I'm going to take it and pull it so I get the hash marks, and now this too is perfectly centered. Now for the next one, I'm going to again select this is actually the mantle layer. I'm going to go Control C and Control V, and I'm going to change the size of this one to 2.1, and I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm going to take it again and center it directly in the center. And then for the last layer, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go Control C, Control V. I'm going to make this one 0.7 by 0.7, and I'm going to change the color to this bright yellow. I'm going to put this directly in the middle. So now you have your layers. All you need to do now is make the boxes, fill in the information, and do the arrows. And there's another video to help you understand how to make the boxes so they look just right. Good luck with this project.